Solve for x and y. Call it as equation 1, equation 2. Here answer from 1 x plus y equal to 14. X is equal to 14 plus y, take right side, becomes minus y. Call it as equation 3. Now substitute x equal to 14 minus y in equation 2. Equation 2. X instead of x, 14 minus x, y. 14 minus y is equal to 4. 14 minus y minus 2y is equal to 4. Minus 2y equal to 4 plus 14, take right side, becomes minus 14. Minus 2y equal to minus 10. 4 minus 14 is minus 10. Both side minus cancel. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Y equal to 5. Now put y equal to 5 in equation 3. X equal to 14 minus y is 5. Therefore x equal to 14 minus 5 is 9. Therefore x equal to 9 and y equal to 5 is answer.